Hello. Imagine a spice so valuable it was once traded like gold. A secret ingredient used for centuries to relieve pain, boost the immune system, and ensure a peaceful night's sleep. And the best part? Today, it's within your reach for just a few dollars. This wonder is clove. In this video, you'll discover how this powerful spice can transform your health. I'll show you how to use clove tea before bed to reap incredible benefits, some of which you probably wouldn't even expect. But a word of caution. This practice isn't for everyone. That's why I'll teach you how to use cloves safely to enjoy all their benefits. Watch until the end to learn how to use this ancient secret to your advantage. But before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our health tips. It's also important that you share this knowledge with your friends and family because on this channel, we learn how to take care of our most valuable asset, our health. So, share this video and tell me, do you drink clove tea at night? Are you aware of all its benefits? Where are you from in the US or the world? Write your answers in the comments below. Let's go. What are the 6 amazing benefits of clove tea for your health, especially at night? First benefit, pain relief and analgesic properties. As I mentioned earlier, during the age of exploration, cloves were so valuable that they were traded for gold. One of the main reasons for this is their powerful pain-relieving effects. The secret behind this is eugenol, a natural compound that acts as a potent analgesic. It has the ability to reduce pain sensitivity, functioning almost like a natural anesthetic. Try biting into a clove, and you'll notice that your tongue will feel slightly numb. This is proof of how quickly and effectively it can relieve pain. This is why cloves are especially useful for alleviating localized pain, like the dreaded toothache, which can be unbearable. It's no surprise that, in the past, many dentists would apply clove oil directly to their patients' gums to relieve their suffering. But is its use limited to the mouth? Not at all. Cloves can also be effective for those suffering from muscle pain or even joint pain. If you've ever woken up with muscle soreness after a tough workout or had a bout of back pain, cloves might be an interesting option to ease those discomforts. When applied topically, eugenol works quickly and effectively, relaxing muscles and reducing the sensation of pain. Second benefit, antimicrobial and antiseptic effects. In addition to relieving pain, cloves play an important role in combating bacteria and fungi. During the age of exploration, they weren't just a valuable spice, but also a true ally in protecting against infections during long voyages. The eugenol in cloves is once again responsible for this effect, working directly against microorganisms. Studies show that it's effective against bacteria like E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella, and Listeria, which are commonly found in contaminated food. Cloves can inhibit the growth of these bacteria by breaking down their cell walls, leading to the microorganism's death. This is particularly useful in preventing problems like plaque, cavities, and gingivitis, which is why cloves are still used in dental products today. And if you tried biting into a clove like I mentioned, you've also noticed its strong, spicy taste. This intense flavor isn't just a distinctive characteristic. It indicates that the clove is working, creating a natural barrier against bacteria and fungi. Third benefit, improved digestion and relief from bloating. Do you feel discomfort after a heavy meal, with a bloated stomach and slow digestion? Then clove may be a great ally in relieving these symptoms. It has been used for centuries in different cultures, like in India, primarily in teas, specifically to aid digestion. Why? Clove helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in better food processing. Additionally, it helps reduce gas, which is often the culprit behind that uncomfortable feeling in the stomach. And there's more. Cloves are rich in manganese, a mineral that helps the body better metabolize carbohydrates and fats. Studies show that clove essential oil can significantly reduce cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL levels, which is excellent news for those looking to manage their heart and circulatory health. Clove is also known for its ability to improve the balance of gut flora, increasing the population of beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus, while reducing harmful microorganisms like E. coli. So, do you struggle with gas or bloating after meals? Did you know that clove tea can help? Let me know in the comments. Fourth benefit, liver health support. You've probably heard about detox, right? Many people spend a lot of money on detox treatments, but few know that the liver already naturally performs this role in the body. And cloves, in the right dose, help protect this essential organ from oxidative stress. In other words, cloves help remove toxins that accumulate in the body throughout the day. And here's a fun fact. Since ancient times, cloves have been used as a type of internal cleanse in many cultures, especially in purification rituals. The secret lies in the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of cloves. Eugenol is a powerful antioxidant that can also neutralize free radicals, further contributing to liver health. So, if you're looking to naturally boost your body, cloves are a great ally, but of course in the right dose. I'll talk about the risks in a moment. Fifth benefit, blood sugar control. If you're looking for a natural way to keep your blood sugar levels under control, cloves could be a great addition to your daily routine. Studies suggest that eugenol, found in cloves, may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining more balanced glucose levels. This is especially important for those who have prediabetes or diabetes. In the past, cloves were used in medicinal mixtures to help control blood sugar. And today, modern science confirms what our ancestors already knew. Cloves can be a powerful tool in managing blood sugar levels. However, caution is needed. For those already using diabetes medications, especially insulin, cloves could cause sudden drops in blood sugar, leading to hypoglycemia, which can be dangerous. So, talk to your doctor. Cloves can be a great ally, but it's always best to stay alert to safely enjoy their benefits. Sixth benefit, improved respiratory health and better sleep quality. Now for the benefit that could completely change your night. Who would have thought that cloves could also help you sleep better? This small spice has a relaxing effect that helps open airways and improve breathing at night. If you often feel discomfort, like a stuffy nose, or wake up multiple times because your breathing isn't right, cloves could help. They have properties that relieve congestion and make it easier to breathe, helping you sleep more peacefully. Additionally, cloves are rich in tryptophan, an essential amino acid that is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that regulate sleep and mood. In other words, besides relaxing your body, cloves also help induce deeper, more restorative sleep. And for those who suffer from insomnia or have trouble sleeping, this makes all the difference. So while you sleep, cloves are working to improve your digestion, protect your liver, balance your blood sugar, and ensure you get quality rest. Pretty cool, right? Have you ever tried any natural sleep remedies? How was your experience? Now, if you're thinking about trying cloves, let me give you a simple recipe for making clove tea. It's super easy to prepare. Here's the step-by-step. You'll only need 5 to 6 cloves and a cup of water. Boil the water, then add the cloves. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. After that, just strain it, and it's ready to drink. Simple as that. This tea is great to drink at night before bed, but it can also be consumed throughout the day depending on your health goals. And you may be wondering, what about the risks? Of course, like everything in life, it's not all benefits, right? It's important to mention the downsides too. Cloves in excessive doses can cause stomach irritation, especially if you have an existing digestive problem. Also, while eugenol is widely used safely in small doses, like in teas and dental products, it's important to remember that any substance in excess can become harmful. The dose makes the poison. Excessive use of clove essential oil, like any other concentrated product, can be risky, especially for children. There have been cases of accidental ingestion of large amounts of clove oil resulting in serious liver damage and other harm to the body, including symptoms like coma and seizures. So don't overdo it, and always respect safe usage guidelines. And one more thing, clove essential oil, due to its concentration, can be toxic if consumed in large amounts, so avoid using it without professional guidance. Another important point, if you take blood thinners or have clotting issues, cloves may interfere with the action of these medications. That's why it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before adding clove tea to your routine, especially if you're taking any medication. Now you have all the information you need to start experimenting with clove tea. It's easy to make, and it can bring many health benefits, but again, use it in moderation and pay attention to your body. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. What will your next video be? I'll share 3 relevant recommendations that are showing up for you. My video on the benefits of flaxseed, and my playlist of the best foods for health, including olive oil, rosemary, turmeric, garlic, and beets. If you're a fan of this type of content, you're going to love it. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote well-being for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.